If you've ever found yourself wishing for a more organized, stress-free way to handle those repeating tasks that pop up week after week, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily set up recurring tasks in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a powerful little system that automatically reminds you of those important, regular duties, so you can spend less time managing the calendar and more time getting things done. Alright, let's jump straight in. The very first thing you'll want to do is head over to your ClickUp workspace. This is your hub, the command center where all your projects, tasks, and workflows live. If you're already logged in, you're halfway there. But if you're new to ClickUp, just make sure you're on the right workspace so your tasks end up exactly where you want them. Once you've landed in your workspace, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you want to set the recurring task for. Your workspace might look a little different than mine, depending on how you've organized your projects, but don't worry if you need to poke around for a moment. Think of projects in ClickUp like folders in your computer. Each one houses related tasks, so picking the right project up front means you'll always find your recurring task in a place that makes sense. Now let's add our new task. ClickUp makes this super simple. Just look for the Add Task button, usually near the top or bottom depending on your layout. Give your task a clear name. For example, let's imagine you have a weekly status report you need to send to your team every Friday. Naming your task specifically helps both you and your teammates know exactly what's due and when. Here comes the magic part, making this task recur. Once you've created your task, just click on it to open the full details. You'll see the area to add a date. This is where scheduling comes in. Click that date field and you'll spot an option called Set Recurring. Go ahead and click that. Now you're given a bunch of options for frequency. Daily, weekly, monthly, and more. For our example, select weekly. You'll also want to set your start date, the day you want the first instance of the task to appear, and your due date, which is when you want each recurrence to be completed. Don't rush this part. Take a moment to think about your real-life schedule. For instance, if Friday is your report day, set Friday as your recurring due date. Once you've dialed in the frequency and dates, you simply click Save. And just like that, your recurring task is ready to go. ClickUp will automatically duplicate this task each week, popping up in your project exactly when you need that reminder. No need to manually create it every single time, saving you effort and keeping your workflow tight. And there you have it. Setting up recurring tasks in ClickUp really is that straightforward, but don't underestimate how much it can streamline your workload. If you get stuck, or maybe you're wondering about other types of recurrence, for example, monthly or custom intervals, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make your digital life easier. See you in the next video.